what do you got? Oh, he's about to get into it.
What is that? What is it?
Please don't like your eye or something. Katie Nats are coming.
What is it?
They'll put a little
Yeah.
taste. Well, I don't know if he should taste it. Maybe play with it first.
Go, Bentley, go. Let him taste it, because then he might try and eat some.
Y'all move, y'all move, y'all move.
What is that?
Bentley, you got a birthday cake?
Oh.
There it goes.
That is not sugar free.
Mama.
That's all right.
Oh, pick it all up. Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Oh, then he goes for a balloon.
Weigh the balloon down.
Oh, wow. That little bit weighed it down.
I don't want to talk.
Standing up and put his foot in it.
He's trying.
Tickle him, Alicia. Is that funny? There he goes. There he goes.
Look at his face.
What is that?
Get that man out. Yeah. Oh. What is that, Bentley?
I want to eat.
Please have a bite.
I need him to look.
Bentley.
There you go.
What
What is that?
Bentley! Bentley!
There we go.
Oh.
Yay! There you go. What is
He's doing this on
that?
his birthday.
We are.
Oh, right in the cake.